Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper, and I'm pretty excited to be here today with this new builder flower release for Altenew. It's the hibiscus flower, and as usual these stamps come with the coordinating dies, but I won't be using them today because what I'm going to share with you is a really easy technique. It's creating a stamp background with just two colours. I know it's fantastic and easy. If you need a quick card, this is a great technique for that. So I've chosen some Altenew colours. I've chosen two Altenew colours from the new sets that were released recently, and the first one's a blue one called Dewdrops. And I've cut a piece of cardstock the same size as the front of my card, and I'm stamping on that as a panel. When I stamp panels, I like to stamp my larger images first, and then I can come in with the smaller images and use them to fill the gaps. But the problem here is that the leaf image is nearly as big as the flower, which is gorgeous, but how I get around that is I actually just stamp a couple of the images and build out my pattern from there. I always make sure to stamp some of the images off the edge of my panel as well. It makes it look a little bit better balanced and like it's meant to be that way. And like the other builder flower sets, this is a multi-layer image, so that both the flower and the leaves have a few layers to them, and I just chose one of the middle layers of the flowers and then one of the shadow layers, just a small one, and I did the same for the leaves. And then I come back in with the exact same colour of ink and re-stamped over the top just to give a tiny little bit of shading. So two inks and one background. How easy is that? This minty green, what did I use? The Misty Mint is the green, and the Dewdrops. They're both so beautiful. The sentiment's from the same stamp set, and I just thought I'd keep it really simple. I've stamped it with some permanent black ink just on another piece of cardstock, and then I can just cut it down so it'll fit on the front of my card and cover one of the flowers that I didn't stamp very well. Just in case you didn't notice. I've got some Altenew tape, and I'm just going to adhere my panel to the front of my card. I decided to do that here because I want to add some splatters with this is the iridescent ink spray. It gives a real subtle sort of finish. I'm not sure if you noticed it in the photo at the beginning, but it's really, really pretty, and it just adds something to a really clean and simple card like this. And I didn't want to have to wait for it to dry to adhere the panel onto the front of the card, so that's why I attached it first. And all that's left to do is pop up my sentiment over the flower that I didn't stamp very well. And of course this is a release, so if you're here in April 2018 and head to my blog, you might have a chance to win. So till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.